Can a bedtime story turn into your child's first paycheck? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But guess what? We are making it real. Hi there, I'm Simi, a professional storyteller and a communication coach, the creator of Junior Talk Master. A place where children don't just learn to speak, they learn to shine. From 15th of April to 15th of July, we will embark on a beautiful 3-month journey of public speaking through storytelling. And this isn't just any course. It is a transformational experience for children from 6 to 12 years where they find their voice, build confidence and express them with joy. Your child will be trained in everything they need to become confident, expressive speaker, and it doesn't just stop at just talking. This program is powered by my signature MAP technique. Trust me, it's a game changer. Every week, your child will join me for one live online group session, an interactive hour buzzing with energy. Guess the real magic. It happens every day through our short, powerful 10 to 15 minutes daily mindset practice on the weekdays. First one, affirmations to build confidence, breathing techniques to shape and control their voice, visualization to power their imagination and focus, mirror work for self-awareness, and even memory techniques to boost retention and clarity. These aren't just activities, they are daily habits that would build resilience, self-belief, and a voice that's ready to lead. Your child will also complete weekly assignments and post them inside our Facebook private group. If you are open, we will feature it into all my social media handles. I believe in what I say. We celebrate every step, and because every step is progress. And now for the most exciting part, on 20th of July, we will celebrate my birthday. But more importantly, it will be your child's spotlight day, an online celebration where your child will earn their first ever pocket money through storytelling. Imagine how proud they will feel, earning by what they love to do, telling stories, being seen, and even being celebrated. What will they learn in the entire program? Voice modulation, diction, body language, stage presence, verbal and non-verbal communication, listening and observing, time management, confidence to manage nerves, and the mindset to succeed. Not just in public speaking, but in life. This is not just a course. It's a transformation handheld by me. Not through a few classes and goodbye, but with consistent mentorship for 3 full months. I could have taken easy route, just a few classes, some worksheets and done. But I don't believe in shortcuts when it comes to children. And I won't just hand over activities to parents and expect magic. That doesn't work. We all know how powerful affirmations mindset practice are. Science says it and our heart knows. And if we as adults still carry childhood hurts within us, just imagine what a program like this can do when started early age. That's why I have designed Junior Talk Master not just with experience but with love, intention and structure to make a real, lasting difference in your child's life. So if you feel I can be a part of your child's journey, I warmly welcome them in. Tap the link below to join the upcoming free webinar for more details and exciting bonuses. I'm so grateful for your trust, and I cannot wait to see your child shine inside the Junior Talk Master program. Let's make the magic happen. Let's turn their voice into their superpower. Let's help them earn, learn, and light up every room they walk into. Thank you so much. Love you all.